to today's video. Today we are going to learn how you can create your own blocks on Scratch. So we will go to My Blocks. Now on My Blocks we click on Make a Block. So we just need to name the block. So I'm naming it up and down because I have taken a ball, a cat and a basketball ground as a background. Now, right now, I want the cat to just bounce the ball. So that I just go to events, take the when flag click. Now you will see that when you create the block will be here, but you need to define that how this block should work. Now let me just define. So I want it to move down. Okay. So let me just take the current position. I will take the glide. Okay, this is the current position. Now I want it to go down like this. Okay, so I will take the down position now. So this is the down position. Okay, in between it should wait a second. Okay, let us just join all of them together. We can decrease the time to 0.5 so that it will speed up. Okay, let us click on the flag and check. Yes, it is working. You can decrease the time and you can just speed up the ball. Okay, so this was a video to learn how you can create your own blocks. For such more videos, please subscribe the channel.